Hi, boys. I'm sorry we weren't here on Friday, and we're not here today. We're actually going to be here this afternoon. However, I know that on Friday you were told to come up with the topic and the thesis statement or the theme of your literary essay, which is either Each Kindness or Papa's Parrot, depending on which one you chose, okay? So today you're going to take your graphic organizer and you're going to add that information in. So together as a class we said we would do Amazing Grace. So that's the text I'm going to use for this example. Okay? So if you recall reading the text about Amazing Grace, I would say that the topic or the big idea of this text is probably I'm going to use a power word. Perseverance, right? Okay? So if that's the big idea or the topic, I have to think what sentence am I going to use for my thesis statement, but it's also my theme, okay, of the whole text. All right? So, in thinking about the character Grace in Amazing Grace, she persevered because she kind of proved that she could be anything she wanted to be if she set her mind to it. And she really did that in the end. So I'm going to actually use that exact sentence. So this is what I'm going to say. I'm going to keep it general for now. So you could be anything you want to be if you set your mind to it. Okay? So that's a very general statement that I made. And really, that's the only thing you have to do for this part. So Friday you did this in your notebooks, and now we want to, first of all, what we want to do is make sure that it's strong enough to transfer over to our graphic organizer. Now, there is an X here where we would sign off on it. Don't worry about that, because tomorrow when Miss Lackey and I are back for writing, we will both check these and sign off on them. Notice though that I don't have anything where I say I think or the theme is. I took all of that nonsense out. That's the stating the obvious. Remember that. I took that out and I made it a strong thesis statement. And I kept it very general. I didn't even talk about the main character. Okay? So that's the first thing I want you to do today in writing. When you are finished with that, then you are going to watch the next video that I have posted, and that one will tell you what you're going to do with your supporting reasons. Okay? Take your time with this today. I don't want you to rush through it. I know you did this on Friday, but I really want you to make sure it's the best it can be before it gets on this graphic organizer. All right?